Well, here I am. I'm on the leak fixing patrol. So a while ago, I had a leak in the water line for irrigating right there where I have that stake. And I thought I had it fixed. And so I went to use the water, and pretty soon there was water bubbling up, and I had to dig up another section of pipe right there. I just put that piece of pipe there to mark it. Had to fix another one. So then I was using it, and the neighbors came over and said, "Hey, we got a bunch of water on our lawn." They had over here, they just had a big puddle of water. So I had another leak, and so what I decided to do was find where the line split, one going this way towards the backyard, which we don't use right now, and I would just cap that off so I could use the hose bib over on the other side of the driveway for watering the grass. So I came over here and dug down where the pipe comes out of where the well is, and I found that. Of course, I hit it with a shovel and broke it. But in there I found that the pipe actually comes down and goes both directions. So I'm going to cut right there and put a cap on it, and hopefully we can use the hose bib on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the piece off here that I'm going to plug. Now I have to go to the hardware store and get a cap. I don't have any caps here. Okay, so I got that cut, so I'll go to the hardware store and get a cap here in a little bit. Well, I decided that I would dig it a little bit more out, because what I'm going to do, instead of putting a cap in there to isolate this part of the line, I'm going to put in a valve to temporarily isolate this part of the line, and then later on I can go try and find out where that other leak is out there, that I'll be able to use the hose bib on the other side of the driveway. So I got to cut that piece of pipe, and then we'll lure in. Okay, we're going to put the section of pipe in now. So right across here there was a pretty good sized root that was pushing down on it. I cut that out, but some of the roots are like that big pushing down, so I'm going to put in a flexible piece, so maybe it'll help keep from breaking lines for a little bit coming down the road. So first thing you do is put the valve side on. Okay, and then this one here. See, now it'll have room for a root to push this and maybe keep from breaking for a little bit. So we'll let that dry for a little bit, then we'll test the pressure. I will need to have access to the valve in the future, so I used a container that I had in the garage I was saving to put nuts and bolts in or something. But it's actually was a container of mini cream puffs, which are really delicious. Look at that, there's 70 in a box. So we're gonna have to get some more. But anyway, the container, it's plastic, and I just kind of cut some holes in the end and slid it, and so that's gonna work really good. I'll just put this over here, and put some dirt around, and no one will ever know there's a valve there. They'll think it's a box of cream puffs. Okay, well, I got the box installed and I got it all buried up, and I crossed out mini cream puffs and wrote that it's a water valve. That way no one's going to think I got a box of cream puffs here. Well, Well, I got thinking that was pretty hard to read right now with all the other stuff, so I just went ahead and gave it a little paint job. And there, that'll be better. So to make sure you have the whole story, here's the place I was interested in getting water to. See, there's water there now. The thing was, so we'd have to drag a hose from all the way over there by the fireplace, and it's more convenient. So for now, we're back in business.
Do you suffer from? Do you suffer from? Do you suffer from the pain that dread hay fever brings? Do you suffer from the pain? Do you suffer from the pain? Do you suffer from the pain that dread hay fever brings? The pain, 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 the pain.